All right.
Ba-doo, ba-doo, boo, boo.
Boop, ba-doo, ba-doo. Hey guys, welcome back to Beauty Break.
Hello.
So I feel so cozy of myself in this outfit.
Cozy.
And as you guys know, we have dabbled a ton in the at-home spa world.
We're big DIY spars.
DI doers.
Doop, doop.
And you might be wondering, where is
Hey,
Lily?
Lily. Lily?
Lily?
Lily? Wait, let me do the call.
Papa?
The call. Papa?
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 Papa? Hello?
That's never been a call we've used, but I'm right here.
Oh, there's Papa.
Papa?
Wow, so we're really taking things to the next level, but we only had enough money for one of these things. Let's go!
It's getting really warm.
This episode is brought to you by Invisalign Treatment. Get straight teeth 2 times faster.
Before we go any further, guys, can you please subscribe to this channel? Because, like, look at what I do for you. We can start the episode now.
Let's kick it off. How you doing, Lil?
I'm really warm. This is your own personal portable sauna. Guys, I saw this online and I didn't think it would work that well, but like,
You look like you're in an igloo.
look at my hands.
Whoa!
I'm sweating
Don't
and
touch
there's
it. Those are probably between
moisture.
your thighs.
Like,
Your
this is a
skin
real
is
sauna.
glowing.
I am experiencing a lot of warmth. It comes with a nice little phone pocket.
Shut up.
I feel like my phone's gonna get water damage.
Do you think you could put like some like broccoli in there? And
Honestly,
it would
it is
probably
it
would.
is so warm in here. I wouldn't be surprised.
steam? Shut up. Like you could cook like halibut.
I'm gonna unzip. Can
Yeah, show the people what's going on in there.
Well, just all the vapors are gonna come out.
She's not new. Don't freak out. There you go.
You look like you're in an igloo.
Holy crap.
Oh my god.
There's
Your
like
tits
a-
look great.
Woo! Let me get your
Oh
hair.
no.
Oh no.
There, the extensions are safe.
Oh, are they?
Yeah, they're safe. They're not that wet.
I got toothpaste in my hair today.
Good.
We can all come back.
Oh,
I think this is amazing. Jocelyn, you
think-
should take this home. You love steam rooms.
I
Anytime we go on
love steam
vacation,
rooms.
Jocelyn will sit in the steam room for like hours. I last 15
Wait,
minutes.
let's go on a vacation.
do you like steam rooms too? I think this is fantastic. How much does this retail for?
It's $171.
Shut
I believe.
the-
What?
Yes.
And we have our own chair. It doesn't come with a chair.
Or it could be a squat exercise if you didn't have a chair.
I don't have quads that are that strong, but I
not
think
your
this is
glutes.
awesome. I'm really glad we bought it.
And
so
it's-
I'm gonna keep steaming though. We have other products
we have
that
other
you guys
things.
are gonna try out.
Okay.
We have on our robes.
I'm sweating so
What
much.
do I grab?
I'm
What's
gonna
next?
Take a. I needed to breathe, but you guys have more
Damn.
items you could try out.
Okay.
What's over on the table?
This, which looks like a really friendly transformer. I feel like he'd be like kind of elephant looking.
Oh, wait.
I don't know what this is. I'm really never
Okay,
here.
let's press down on it. Oh!
Heated
Oh
lotion.
my gosh, here, let me lotion you up, and then you
This feels like something I don't need.
Who
while
knew?
Sitting in here.
No, it's gonna really, oh my gosh, smell how good that smells.
It does smell really good.
Who knew hot lotion felt so good? It's very warm lotion.
I'm trying to be brand friendly.
Jacking
Stop it.
off.
Thank you. I'm trying to be brand friendly.
She
and
thinks
you're-
this would be a great tool for young boys and
No,
actually
I'm also
older people to use.
I'm also
Oh.
concerned. What if it got like too hot and then you like
That's
burn
why-
your penis? That's what I was more worried
You're
about.
lotioning my arms so much.
Do you want some more on the other parts of your arm?
Sure, do
The
this
other-
arm too. I kind of like my lotion cold though. Is that weird?
Okay, I understand the warm lotion part. First of all, the smell gets really amplified when it's warm, and I don't like that aspect.
It's like when you're cooking and the aromas like come out of the
Yeah,
pot.
and I'm like cool with garlic, but like this is like, I don't know. I don't
a
like
lot.
that florally, like too much of that. I think when I get out of the shower, I always turn the heat on while I'm in the shower so I'm not freezing when I like moisturize after. But I feel like this could work. I just don't like the consistency. It's like warm milk to me.
I actually love it.
I
It's
was like not
melted,
paying attention
warm
at all. I was
yogurt.
really enjoying that massage.
or like melted cheese.
Speaking of getting out of the shower, do you remember when we did that entire episode actually we did 2 in the bathroom. One was in the bathtub and involved
Nudity.
You guys, I love being nude with you.
Oh, and there's just like salt.
too many bubbles.
That was one of my favorite days we've ever had on the show.
But then there was also the really awkward shower episode where like we didn't all fit in the shower, so we just made Jocelyn go in and me and Megan like
Hello?
watched from the outside.
It's really not coming in with me. Hi guys, welcome to my shower. You too.
Can we turn this back on? I'm getting chilly.
Yeah, put yourself inside. Let's zip you back
you
up.
need to drink water. You have to promise if they turn it back on, you have to drink water today.
Fine.
Because it's gonna dehydrate you. And
Oh,
then you're
yeah.
gonna get wrinkles and then you're gonna look old.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Is
Stop right there.
Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch.
Hey, you.
Always on the run, gotta slow it down, baby, gotta have some fun. If you guys don't know what song that is, unsubscribe because we're not friends.
This is like one of those claw things, but with a brain.
Has anyone used this before? Because I got lice so much in high school, I get really stressed.
What?
Yeah.
Is it?
It's not as satisfying as that spidery one.
Yeah, I have the
That
really
one-
cheap like dollar one on my desk that so many people have used. Talk about getting lice. I'm surprised none of us
I know,
have.
but when people put
This
that on
is-
their face, you're just like, ugh, it feels so good.
It's great. So this isn't good, and this probably was more expensive.
I mean, it's just not doing anything for me. It's
I
not
think
getting
this
my
would
rocks off.
stimulate. It feels like it's.
Are you
in
getting
your
that
brain.
fluttery eye thing? I know. Don't
No.
get that. And
No,
that's
no, no.
that's the sensation I aim for when
Yeah.
I use those things. I want
Yeah.
the fluttery
When
I'll
eye.
just do it in the middle. It feels good, but like
You're, no,
No.
That's what it does.
but I don't think you're just supposed to like.
Are you
hold it
supposed
in
to,
one-
like,
No,
go
when
like-
It's
you
like
brush
use
it,
it as
still-
no, it's like a brush.
No, do it down her to brush. I did it with mine, and it still doesn't feel.
I feel
What if
like
we
this
put it
would
on, like-
stimulate hair growth, though. It like by vibrating. Is it good on your
Unlikely. I
arm?
don't know about that. Guys, I'm so slimy and weird.
And, like-
because like the mixture of the
Lotion?
steam, my sweat, and the lotion right now, I'm
It's a
just
good
like
combo, though.
I can feel beads of sweat dripping down my
Your
back.
face is getting sweaty too.
So this next thing.
Illuminage.
Whoa, these are creepy.
So these
Do you put some?
reduce the appearance of hand wrinkles. Oh, turn back the hands of time with these high-tech copper-infused gloves. There's copper in them.
No, there's not. This has spandex.
Copper. It says copper.
Oh.
There's nothing else
But
in there.
when do you wear them?
I guess all the time.
It seems like very large packaging for something so small.
They're like finger spanks. You know?
There's literally not
Do you like
directions.
soak them in something?
There's no
first?
directions.
There is a phone number. I'm happy to call.
You should.
Thank you for calling Illuminati Beauty Customer Services. My name is Sophie. May I take your name, please?
Sure, my name's Jocelyn. So
Yeah, go
I
ahead, please.
have these skin rejuvenating gloves and I've put them on. Do I need to do anything else or do I just like wear them?
Yeah, you can just wear it and that's it. Because basically, like, the way it works is, the copper will release into the moisture on your skin, the copper oxide, and that just does its trick. So
How does the copper get in?
Really?
How does the copper get in the gloves?
The copper is basically like around the fabric.
Oh.
It's like the whole fabric is made with it actually. So
And do I have to wear it? It says 4 weeks. Do I wear them all the time or can I take them off at work or?
whenever you can wear them, like I would recommend wearing them like while you are sleeping really, and I think that should be enough. Like you will see the effect, but
I mean, they're pretty stylish. They're
you
fingerless,
can't wear it
so.
all the time anyway. Pardon?
Whatever. Never mind. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Bye.
I have never heard a customer service representative
She was so nice.
information before
No,
beginning.
I'm
She
sure
was
nobody
laughing at
has
me.
ever called before.
She's
and
like,
she
"Write
just
down, it's our
had
first
to-
customer."
Literally had to pull out a handbook and be like, I think I'll ask for this. Okay,
that
I
thing?
think this is a humidifier, right? A facial steamer. I remember if you had an asthma attack, we could use this.
Oh, I hear it boiling.
You know, you can also do this with
Oh.
just like a bowl of hot water and a towel and just lean over
That's
it.
true.
Yeah, but it's not as cool looking.
This
Don't-
would be a nice do you think this would be a nice transformer or a mean one?
I don't know why.
I think it'd be nice.
You
But-
think all of them would be nice?
No,
I
because
think.
if they're cute as electronics, like
Part
a
of the
Beats
narrative.
pill would be like really douchey. You know what I mean?
Oh,
No,
no,
I
look.
think they'd be cute.
Oh!
Put your face in there.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I have a chemical burn under all this makeup, but you tell me if it hurts, otherwise I'll do it.
My God.
Pretend you're breathing fire like a dragon.
You look like a witch from this angle.
Oh my God, the first time Jocelyn's ever blowing smoke rings. Joss, you're so cool!
Are you okay?
Just like
Your
really.
face.
Are you zen?
Just like relax.
Is this like when you and Jesse went and put yourself in those burritos?
Everything feels like it's melting together. My ass is on fire. I think Lily's dying. I feel like I'm gonna puke.
Guys, I didn't think I was gonna make it out of that alive. I was like turning white and very concerned.
What did you go on Beauty Trip in that bike that had you inside of a Ziploc
Aquacycling.
bag?
We're in Titanic and this is the water rushing down the hallway.
that you've been feeling. You don't want to get out because you don't want to get cold,
Oh, I don't know. I'm getting a little,
which is always my biggest
getting a little
struggle.
tired now.
You know what I think your
Ow!
bougie body needs?
Ooh!
A towel warmer.
Well, definitely, because I am soaking wet. Oh my god.
Okay, so we got a warm towel for you. Oh my god.
Oh, it's so cute.
And on set, they'll do these, but they'll put like essential oils on them.
How does it feel, Lil?
I feel wet. The towel, I think my body was so warm that in comparison it wasn't that warm, but it was nice.
You look like you're glowing.
I feel like I,
You really are.
that was warm, but really nice. I want that.
This is amazing.
That's
So
great.
that's amazing. This seems dumb. This seems cool, but like unnecessary.
and just because of the
gross.
customer service lady.
I think everyone should buy these to support.
Our
They
friend
did
from
hire a great
Ireland,
customer
maybe?
service. She definitely sounded Irish.
Irish or
Illuminage.
Welsh?
I'm getting really cold. Is the episode over?
It could be over, you guys. Let us know if you have any other cool ideas for an at-home spa day, because we just love doing spa days.
We
at
love
home.
it. Or a real spa day too.
We can do that
we have a show called Beauty Trip, and where we go get stuff done. So that's perfect.
This reminded me of the V-Steam a lot that we got.
I'm really cold.
I want to get a V-steam.
Yep.
Okay.
We'll get you one.
Bye.
Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Bye. Click that box over on the left to see us try a bunch of awesome foods at Coachella. Thanks again to Invisalign Treatment for sponsoring this episode. Click the link in the description below to check out the Invisalign Smile Quiz.